Sometimes everything feels normal until suddenly it doesn't. We are now in such a moment. July 10 and 11 are not just dates, they are divine triggers, and the hours ahead are not to be taken lightly. What happens next? In your heart, your thoughts, your energy will decide everything. You still have time, but not much. Only hours remain. This shift is most people wait for change to come from outside. But real transformation begins in silence. In these last hours, before July 10 and 11, something invisible is activating. You may feel restless sleep, emotional pressure, unexpected memories surfacing. These are not random. They are signals. Your body and spirit are trying to clear the past, to prepare for what's coming. Do not waste these hours in distraction. Go within, because what you align with now is what you will walk into tomorrow. Coming ready, or there are moments in time that are spiritually coded. They may not be visible to the world, but to the awakened, they are loud. July 10 and 11 carry a frequency of change, not just for individuals, but for families, for destinies, for timelines. God has set this window as a divine checkpoint. Those who are still will hear it, those who are clear will receive it, and those who are distracted will miss it entirely. Don't be among them. You are given this message to prepare, not later. Now, this is not a time to act busy. It's a time to be available. In these hours before the shift, do this. Turn off distractions, sit in silence, ask your heart, what is trying to leave me right now? Let it go. Don't resist the clearing. Everything that feels uncomfortable right now is actually trying to free you. The alignment that July 10 and 11 bring requires space, and only those who clean the old will be able to receive the new. You don't need to panic, but you do need to prepare. The window is here. The invitation is real, and you were chosen to receive it. These hours before July 10 and 11 are not ordinary. Use them wisely. Reflect, release, realign. Because when this moment passes, the world may look the same, but you will not be. And that is exactly the point.